Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is callous. It is pronounced Cal-us and spelt C-A-L-L-O-U-S. Think call, C-A-L-L, but pronounced cal, and then O-U-S. Callous means being insensitive or indifferent to the feelings of others. It can be used to describe someone who is hard-hearted and uncaring. For example, you could say, he was cold and callous and did not care in the slightest about the suffering of others. Or, the callous teacher issued me yet another detention. The word callous comes from the Latin word callus, which means hard skin. If you are thick-skinned, you could also be described as unbothered or insensitive. See the connection? Calluses are also what form on your hands or feet if you apply repeated friction or pressure on them. They're a build-up of hardened skin. In The Iron Giant, the titular robot, the Iron Giant, learns the importance of empathy and compassion throughout its adventure, after initially being portrayed as callous and indifferent. Synonyms for callous are insensitive, unfeeling, cold-hearted, and uncaring. Antonyms for callous include compassionate, sympathetic, and caring. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, callous. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.